Hey guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about Febreze, which is definitely a common household product that I think most people probably have in their house, hopefully, because it's just something really great that kind of fights away stains and makes the house smell fresh. So if you haven't heard of Febreze, they have all different things. I have like Febreze, like little thing in my car that leaves a nice smell. It's like a Febreze car effects, scent effects for car. This is Febreze that eliminates odors and freshens. It's Hawaiian Aloha. It's a great stain pre-treat, so it loosens tough stains for a thorough machine clean. So this you could put on any stains you have on your clothing. Let it sit for a little bit and put it in the washing machine. Put your clothes in the washing machine, and it's great to get stains out. So I definitely need that because there's always like oil stains, food stains, salad dressing stains. That's like my most common thing that I splash on myself, and it stains my clothes, and I need to get the stain out. So this is a 22-ounce bottle, or 1.37 pint, 650 milliliters. It says caution, eye irritant, read back panel. It smells wonderful, and it's so easy to spray. Just take the top and see, comes out clear, and it literally smells like a tropical vacation. Okay, so stain pre-treat improves deep cleaning performance with ingredients specifically formulated to penetrate and loosen certain stains like coffee, fruit juice, cola, and more. It eliminates odors and freshens. Leaves your carpet smelling fresh with a Hawaiian Aloha scent, which I need because a lot of the time my cat she throws up, or throws up a hairball on the carpet, and you need to get the stain out. So it says, before you clean, remove solid residue and blot excess liquid with a clean Colorfast absorbing cloth. Test for colorfastness on a hidden area. If color is affected, do not use this product. Before using this product on upholstery, look for manufacturer's cleanability code tag. Use on upholstery coded WS or W. Do not use on upholstery coded X or S. Do not use on velvet, silk, vinyl, or leather upholstery. Directions. Step 1. Turn nozzle to spray position and spray over soiled area. Do not over wet carpet. Step 2. Let stand for 5 minutes and then deep clean following your machine's user guide. Keep children and pets from area until dry and vacuumed, so that you don't want them to ingest it or anything. And right before you use the steam cleaner on the vacuum. To use as a spot and stain remover. Spray soiled area and let it stand for 5 minutes to penetrate the stain. Do not saturate. Gently blot or rub area with a clean, damp Colorfast cloth. Rinse and repeat as needed. Family and pet safe when used as directed. This product does not contain phosphates. Contains no harsh chemicals or solvents. Do not expose to heat. Do not store at temperatures above 120 degrees Fahrenheit. No VOCs. Caution, contains non-ionic surfactants. In case of eye contact, flush thoroughly with water. If irritation persists, consult physician. Keep out of reach of children. For more information, visit www.bissell.com. Questions or comments? 1-800-237-7691. Copyright 2013, Bissell Home Care Incorporated in Grand Rapids, Missouri. 49544 USA. For additional freshness, use Febreze Fabric Refresher Spray, which is amazing. I spray it all over my couch all the time. The Procter & Gamble Company in Cincinnati, Ohio, used under license by Bissell Home Care Incorporated, USA patent number USD 427078, item number 9522. And there's the barcode on the back. So it comes in an easy to use plastic container, which is recyclable, and very easy to use. So you could just switch this. I kind of just turns it a couple times till it went to on, and then you just spray it really easily to use it. Works wonderful, and I definitely think it's a staple that everyone should have in the laundry room. So guys, this was Febreze Stain Pre-Treat in Hawaiian Aloha. Amazing to get stains out of your carpet, your couch, your clothing, depending on what the material is. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. See you later.